Want to get in front first?
No, you got the GoPro. Go first.
Alright, cool. Hello.
Hey, come on in.
Is it Chris?
Barry.
Barry, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You okay if I move your backpack?
Yeah, go on, yeah. Yeah, no worries, mate. No worries.
Alright.
Alright, come on in.
So we made a deal.
Alright.
We get to go twice.
There you go.
We switch after you're done with him, then I'll get in the front.
Alright, no worries.
And then we're done.
Alright.
Maybe you get to experience a little bit more.
Yeah, why not? It's still pretty slippery out there.
That's the best part. Nice.
That was good.
There's only so much you can do though in the wet,
Right?
especially this corner.
That one's hard. This one's hard too.
It's very hard in the wet.
He didn't touch the gas at all.
No.
He went through that pretty fast.
Yeah, just carry the power somehow.
Yeah, he's good at carrying the power.
Alright, gentlemen.
Alright, my turn to get in
Stop.
front.
And we'll do a changeover for you guys.
Thank you.
Take your time.
Alright.
You get to watch his feet now.
Oh yeah.
I got
I don't know about
the whole
that.
time. I wasn't looking at the road once. I was just staring at your feet. And that was awesome.
So you can't see much foot movement.
No, I do from back there. I was able to get a lot of it.
Right.
I was noticing every time you move from the brake to gas, but you don't touch the brake very often.
Now your braking, you've got to try and get your braking done in a straight line. It's easy to say than, but anyway, try and get your braking done in a straight line so when you get to the corner, you're not braking. Off the brake.
Nice.
Understeer.
Let's go.
Boom.
It's okay.
Nice.
Reasonable. That was still great. If you think it's great. Oh my god, let's go. Just a little boost of power there. That's cool. But the fact that you knew how to handle that little boost without oversteering or understeering there, that was incredible. That was just the right amount of power.
Alright guys, cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
No worries, guys.
Thank you. You made our day.
Hey, cool. Don't drive crazy when you get out there,
No,
alright?
no, I can't. I can't.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll leave it to you. Don't
Alright,
worry.
mate. Good
Thank
job.
you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
And you.
Sweet. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Woo!